guys, so as I promised, I will be sharing one more video related to NLP that is related to my thesis and my final year project in my bachelor. So basically it was related to spotting spammers using group spammer behavior analysis. In my last video, I was telling you about fake reviews detection, and in this particular video, we are going to be looking at how we can find out the different groups of spammers or spotting them out. So basically this was a structure. We had a Yelp data set. We find out the K-click graphs. So basically we connected each of them together with the reviewers, the graphs and the reviews that we have. We got out the metadata of the behavioral data, review text, timestamp, rating deviation, K, initial group size, the common products that they have, and then we created a suspicious reviewer graph. So we connected a graph, we made a graph of based on some values, whether they have the same rating, whether they have the same timestamp, whether they are doing reviews on a common product, what is the rating deviation, all of that stuff. And then we find out a K groups. So this is helping us find out the K groups of everything. So basically then we were just finding out a group overlap metrics, so that we can see what the graph is about, and then based on the threshold we are dividing them into groups. Then we were doing a rank group, ranking them groups on the basis of the highest score, and groups with the highest score are basically added over there. So the overall accuracy for random forest was 0.96, recall was 0.96, K nearest neighbors, and these were my group members Kafil and Umar. So basically we used the best model was random forest classifier with K is equals to 7, unigram, bigram and trigram with the precision recall, and AURC of 1, 1 and 0.74 respectively. So I also created a Django website for this, so I would just like to show you that how it works. You first have to create a database in PostgreSQL, and over here you can see that I have set it up nicely. I have different store product table, I have store review table that are going directly to the model that we have. So I have around 3 to 4 models because it was a very big data set of around 2 million reviews, and we trained it partially by using some of the reviews. So the best model was, one of the model was demo model and the other one was random forest. So basically I'm using this one right now as the base model. I'd like to show you, this is the store template. We created a simple Django website. You can go, you can see different products that are coming in directly from the DB. You see these are the products over here, and when this happens I just go over there. I need to add a review. I first have to log in with my username. So it's a very basic one, we did not do much about it. Okay, so over here you could see that I'll be adding some reviews. Wow, what a fantastic burger. Let's add this. So I add it here and I see that it is not spam. And once I go to the PGAdmin, I see different reviews. So I added some test cases where actually it was from the same group. So we'll add something from here. Let's see what we have. Okay, so this is the one. I'll just copy this one from here, add a similar rating. Most of the time people do that so that they are able to see, and we add it here, add this, and you would actually see that it's a spam, and which group it belongs to, you will be able to see it here. You can actually print it out on the UI as well. So total number of groups are 75, group deviation, average rating deviation of that group, the content similarity, all of that is coming in the backend. So this is an awesome one. Have a look at it and subscribe the channel. Thanks again. Bye bye.